Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. Can we meet again for learning Microsoft Project in course BFC 43201. Okay. From the previous video, we already tried to understand the basic concept in construction project planning and scheduling. Sorry. Right. So, in this series, we are going to use Microsoft Project for planning and scheduling. Okay, specifically for the construction projects. Okay, before we start, in developing work program, there are several steps that we must follow. So we're going to start with creating a new project, managing tasks, managing resources, and finalizing a project. Okay. Right. So in this video, we are going to create a new project in Microsoft Project. Okay, either you use 2013 or Microsoft Project 2016. It doesn't matter. Basically, the features of Microsoft Project in 2013, 2016 are the same. Okay, the more higher versions, Microsoft Project have more what we call features, more features. But the basic function is same. Okay, so doesn't matter either you use 2013 or 2016. Okay, for this purpose, I will use Microsoft Project 2016. Okay, actually, Microsoft Project is one of the project management software. Okay, there are hundreds of project management software available in the markets. Either desktop based, ada yang web based, ada yang mobile based, single user ataupun yang boleh collaborative and so on. Ada several types of project management software. Okay, normally in dalam Malaysian construction projects in Malaysia, okay, we are using either Microsoft Project or Primavera. Okay, Microsoft Project is more user friendly for me. For me, Microsoft Project is more user friendly. And it is cheaper compared to Primavera. Okay, and however, Primavera able to organize a very big project. Okay, itu Primavera is more powerful lah. Okay, right. So for it's not that Microsoft Project not able, but ada some limitations, right? But still it can be used for 20 million project, but still we can use Microsoft Project and it is easy to understand and easy to do lah for me, right? For me. Okay, let's start use Microsoft Project. Okay, first you have to open your Microsoft Project. Okay, you can go either to the start icon on your bottom left bottoms your computer, or it is if it is available in your desktop, on your desktop, you can just click on the Microsoft Project icon. Okay, so then open your, click the start and find your Microsoft Project. Project, find your project. Okay, then just click and Microsoft Project will, ini adalah the interface of masa projek bila you buka. Okay, so kalau if you use 2013, dia ada banyak lagi lah templates yang ada Right, so 2016 dah kurangkan sikit. Right. Then for new project, click a blank project. Okay, so this view will appear in your in Microsoft Project. Okay, let's take a look first on the features of Microsoft Project. Okay, apa yang ada Okay, kat atas ni on your left top. Okay, ada save, ada undo, redo. Okay, yang ini kita panggil dia as a quick access toolbar. Okay, ni quick access toolbar. Kat bawah ni new task, manual schedules ni, information ni status bar. Ni maksudnya ada dia punya status bar dia apa, manual schedule Then bawah ni ada shortcut, some shortcuts. On your right ada shortcuts. And then this one is zoom the minus plus 2 is zoom slider. We call it as a zoom slider. You can zoom in or zoom out your view. Okay, now the file, task, resources, report, project, view, format ni, we call it as a tabs. Okay, ni tabs. Tabs. Okay. Tabs ni dia replace drop down menu. Okay, I don't know lah you pernah guna tak drop down menu. Okay, so tab ni dia ada instruction untuk apa yang kita nak buat. For each tab dia ada dah disusun mengikut keperluan masing-masing lah. Okay, that is tab. Okay, then dekat tabs tu on each tab dia ada ribbon kan. Okay, yang ni we call it as a ribbon This one is a ribbon. Okay, this one is a ribbon. Okay, ribbon. Then dalam setiap ribbon ada group. Okay, ni task, tab task, ada group font, clipboard, schedule, group task, group insert, group properties and editing. Okay. Under the tab resources, ada group assignment, properties, level and so on. Okay, setiap tab, each tab have their own function dia. Okay, so dia punya ni lah. Okay, and then this one kita panggil dia as a command. Setiap satu dalam group, dalam each group ada command kan. Okay, yang icon-icon ni kita panggil dia sebagai command lah. Okay, this one is icon ni, this one is command. Put information, change bagian, all these are command dalam view. Okay, now this one task and tab tab and group dan command dia. Okay, and then this one is kita panggil dia sebagai view so project punya view. Okay, untuk tahu a default view when you open Microsoft Project, the default view dia adalah view Gantt chart. Okay, macam mana nak tahu dia view apa masa tu? Kat tepi on your left ni ada tulis Gantt chart kat sini. Okay, this one ada Gantt chart. So now the current view is view Gantt chart. Okay, there are a lot of view that available in Microsoft Project. So if you want to change, you go to the task kat dalam group dekat ribbon tu, view kan, group view, ada icon Gantt chart on your left top left ada Gantt chart. Then you click, ada drop down menu ni kita panggil drop down menu. The menu dia ada several built-in view yang available. If you want to change to the calendar view, just click. So dia akan view dalam bentuk calendar. If you want to change into network diagram, ni sebab tak ada network lagi, there are no activities, so tak nampak lagi lah. Nanti kita akan tukar-tukar Right, there are task form, ada resource sheet, ada resource form, resource graph. So this is the different views yang available dalam Microsoft Project. So kita akan guna for key in and so on. We are going to use the Gantt chart view. Okay, so ni Gantt chart view. Okay, dalam Gantt chart view ada several ni column. Each of these we call it as a column. This one is timeline. Timeline ni it shows kita punya project duration kita. Dia akan tunjuk kita punya project duration. Okay. Now dekat sini start 16.10 kan. It is today dates. Okay, dalam Gantt chart view there are several column yang dia dah ada. Actually you can add any column that available lah. Ada macam-macam column. Okay, ni bahagian kalender dia. Bahagian ni nanti bahagian chart dia lah. Bila kita masuk ke activity, the chart will appear here. Right. Okay, so this one is task mode, indicator I is indicator. Indicator, task mode, task name, duration, start, finish, resource and so on. Ini yang basic, bukan basic. Dia akan we call it as a default view. Okay, so let's say lah your computer dia tak appear that the katakanlah sihat dulu Alright. Let's say your computer does not show indicator column. So how to make it appear? Just click on the task name column and then you go to your right click your mouse, your insert column and then cari indicator column. Cari I indicators. So nanti dia akan appear. The new column will appear on the left side of column yang you klik tadi. Kalau you klik kat sini and then you insert column tadi apa task mode kan. Task mode dia akan appear dekat situ. Right? So kat mana nak tu boleh just klik Then katakanlah task mode ni we want to change it to the next to the indicator column, just click situ. Then when the arrow button macam ni appear, kita drag je dia. Bawa ke sebelah situ. Nanti dia akan berubah. Right, this is the view Gantt chart. Okay. Now we want to start create an activities atau kita nak create a project. So alright, for this session we are going to create we are going to use the example given for the project of cadangan membina dan menyiapkan sebuah bangunan satu tingkat di atas lot 1256 Mukim Besar Batu Pahat Johor. The contract duration project start is on 3rd January 2022 and until the end date of project is 2nd July 2022. The contract amount is 429,000. Okay, ini adalah contoh. Okay, just remember that every values, activities, quantities and so on that used in this exercise is only as an example. Okay, example to use in this project, right? So you can find your activity atau your sample in the classroom. It is given, right? Okay, so with this project we want to create a new project in the Microsoft project. Okay, so first kali kita nak createkan new project. So go to project. Okay, now you see today is during this recording it is 6 October. Okay, so somewhere here you see the green line here. Okay, this one is indicate today's. Okay, today's. Right. This calendar will appear according to when you develop your program. Okay, now we want to create a new project. Go to the project information in the project tab. Okay, project tab. Dalam group properties ada project information. Okay, just click project information. The windows of project information for project 1 is appear. Okay, start date is the start date of your project. Okay, so start date, just click kat bawah tu, then choose your project start date. Our project start date is on 3rd January 2022 So just click je 3rd January tu. Monday, 3rd January 2022. Current date is today when you develop your program. Okay, schedule from, there are 2 types. Ada 2. You can choose either one, project start date and project finish date. Okay, if you choose project start date, dia cakap so all tasks begin as soon as possible. It means that the maksud project will calculate based on the project start date. Means that each activity tu it will calculate to begin as soon as possible. Ataupun project finish date dia akan calculate as late as possible. Maksudnya dia calculate according to the project finish date. So biasanya kita akan ambil project start date saja, right? So because we want to task to begin as soon as possible. Right. Status date biarkan dulu because this one is when we monitor nanti. Okay, calendar standard and this one is just let it be like that. Okay, and then click OK. When you click OK, you will see that at the calendar area, kat sini kan, it is a dotted line appear on the 3rd January. Monday, 3rd January is on Monday. And your calendar is changed to 2nd of January 2020. Right? So itu dia akan berubah depends on our project start date. Okay, let's say your view your master project does not view the same like what I did now. Okay, tak sama macam dengan saya punya appear sekarang ni. Is okay sebab itu just kita punya zoom saja. Just ensure that you're key in the right information in the project information tadi. Okay, kalau you maximizekan your project, you akan nampak 2nd Jan tu. Kalau tak nanti just zoom je Okay, sometimes the appearance tak sama kan, tak apa. As long as the project information, you key in the right information. Okay, this is your project. So save lah. Save your project Nanti dah masukkan. Save. Where do you want to save it? So let's say I save it as a Banglo Peserai. And then just click save. That's it. Right, so that's you already create a new project in the Microsoft project. Okay, yang task ni, before forget, let me show you, let me send to you. Okay, task name or activity name is the same, okay? Task atau activity tu benda yang sama. Okay, it is the performance of activities that require to complete the project. Apa aktiviti yang diperlukan ataupun apa task yang diperlukan to complete the project. Two tasks. Duration means tempo lah. Durations to each task to complete the project. Okay. Start date, start date, finish date. Okay, task mode ni nanti ada 2, sama ada manually schedule atau auto schedule. Okay, yang lain-lain ni biar dulu nanti I'll explain as we go along in this session, right? Okay, so that's all for creating a new project. And The next series will be on managing a task activities in Microsoft Project. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you. Bye.